Hey amazing people, welcome back once again to my channel. It's a girl Peace, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my clove oil. If you notice on my hair tutorial, I always include clove water and DIY conditioner, and I said earlier before now that I'm going to be sharing the progress of the effect of the clove oil on my daughter's hair. Like I said earlier, my daughter's hair is very scanty and very light, and I'm happy to share the progress of the clove oil 1 month after. And I'm so elated that it's progressing really well. Without further much ado, let's head into today's video. And please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly do me a favor by liking these videos, subscribing to this channel, and dropping your thoughts in the comment section. And if the Lord leads, kindly share. Let's head into today's video. The first ingredient is clove. This is the first and most important ingredient, the cloves. And we also need extra virgin olive oil. We also need some shea butter. I'll show you why we need this one later. I also need coconut oil. You can decide to swap any oil of your choice, but we all know coconut oil is very good for the hair. Likewise, olive oil. So having all this great natural ingredient in one oil, what do you expect? My hair will grow like wild. Yeah, okay, so let's keep going. First of all, I'll be rinsing the clove in a cold water, a tap from the tap. Transfer it into a blender. The cloves is in my blender. It's much because I'm going to be sharing it into two parts. I'm going to measure my olive oil into the clove, into the coconut oil. Because since this one is not diluted, I will just use my African mentality to measure it with our sense. Then, for the shea butter, we have to dilute it by putting it in the pan to give us the oil itself. Okay. This is the dissolved shea butter. After dissolving, allow it to cool down for a bit. Then you transfer the shea butter oil into the blender that has the other oils. Okay. Transfer this to a pan. And heat it up for like 2 minutes until it's brown like kind of chocolate. Yeah. Heat this up for some minutes. When it's brown, make sure you don't leave it to keep stirring it to not get burnt. Heat it up. When the color becomes a little bit darker, then your clove oil is ready, and then you strain. This is the color you want it to be. Then you have to off it and let it cool down, and you strain. You can see it's a little bit darker than before. Don't let it cook too much so that the nutrients will not die off. It's cooled down now. I'm going to filter the oil. I don't have a strainer, so I just use a towel. And here we have our beautiful natural clove oil.